Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Dev Drive. If you are new here, I'm Masoom Ali, and today we are diving into the world of Docker. Whether you are a developer or system admin or just a tech curious, Docker is a tool you need to know about. In this video, we will cover what Docker is and why it is so powerful and how you can start using it today. So let's get started. The first, what is Docker? Docker is a powerful open source platform that enables developers to automate the deployment of application inside a lightweight portable container. These containers, including everyone needed to ensuring consistency across multiple environment. And why we use Docker? Docker offers several advantages over traditional visualization. It is faster, more efficient, and uses fewer resources. Containers start up quickly and are easy to scale, making Docker an ideal choice for modern microservices and DevOps practice. And we will compare the container and virtual machine to know how it works. So in container, it has like low impact on operating system, very fast, minimal disk space usage, and in case of virtual machine, it is bigger impact on operating system, slower hard disk space storage, and in sharing, container has very easy also in the rebuilding. And in case of virtual machine, it is very challenging to share the resource and rebuilding and distribute the resources. And in case of container, we can easily encapsulate app environment instead of whole machine. And in case of virtual machine, we need to encapsulate whole machines instead of just apps and environment. Also, the core concept of Docker is Docker file, a text file with instruction to build a Docker image. And image is read-only templates used to create container and container running instance of Docker images. Docker Compose, a tool for defining and running multiple container Docker applications. And the last one is Docker Hub, a cloud-based registry where you can find Docker image. And there are basic commands of Docker. Docker run hello world, run a simple container. And the second one is Docker build, build an image from a Docker file. And the third one is Docker pull, downloads an image from Docker Hub. And the fourth one is Docker push, upload an image to Docker Hub. So Docker is mainly a container, and this container we use uh, to creating and managing the containers. It is a tool like what is a container? Container is a package of code and dependencies to run that code. Like if we take the example of package like a Node.js code or Node.js runtime environment. Docker is used in variety of scenario from developing and testing new applications to deploying microservices in production. And companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix use Docker to streamline their workflow and improve efficiency. Uh, Docker is a powerful tool that simplifies application deployment using container. It is fast, efficient, and perfect for modern DevOps practices. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe the channel and leave a comment